Okay, good afternoon. This is Professor DPJ De Los Reyes. The topic this afternoon, uh, it will be the so-called disassembly of my microwave oven with the specification over the range. Okay. I have done the disassembly already. So this is the case of the microwave oven, which was a 20-year-old microwave oven. I found the defect already. This was the defect. The magnetron got some burned marks or black marks, which indicates there could be some what you call this a short circuit inside its inside. So this is actually where the microwave will be coming in, this portion here. It goes here. Okay, there's an electric pan inside, then it will rotate. Okay, so when we push the on button, if we try to hit something, the microwave will be coming out here and here. It goes inside the microwave, so it cook any food or heat any food that's placed inside. So this is actually the outlet of the microwave. It goes inside the microwave oven, right? And so with this one. So for as long as the microwave is operating, of course the wave inside is actually alive, and it will try to interfere with any food that contains water. So it will try to heat it up. So right now, that's what remains for the body of the microwave oven. I just disassembled a while ago, and I got all the important things inside. This is actually the door. It's still intact. Okay, so I could still use this one to store food. I will just return back the door. I will return the casing. I will return back the circuitry for the clock and the circuitry for the ventilating electric fan. But I will not use it as a what you call this microwave. I will just use it to store a cooked food. I will be placing this one inside my gazebo. So these are the main parts that was taken from inside. This is the high voltage capacitor. This high voltage capacitor, it says here danger high voltage. The voltage rating of this one is 2100 volts AC, 50-60 Hertz, and the capacitance is 0.9 microfarad. This is the dangerous part here. If there is still a charge here, don't ever touch the terminals because you'll get electrocuted. Before you touch the terminals, just be sure that you short it out by using a screwdriver to remove any residual charge which might be left inside. The next thing inside is actually the big transformer. This is a big transformer. The voltage of this one is 120 volts, 60 Hertz. But this is a high voltage. This should be the power supply that goes to the magnetron. Whatever voltage here, it will be applied to the magnetron here. So this is actually the magnetron. This is the one that produces the microwave inside the microwave oven. Okay, it got some burn marks over here. That's maybe the reason why when one time I was operating, it got smoke. This is defective already. Okay, so other than this magnetron here, which is defective, all the other things are actually intact. This is actually the ventilation duct, the electric fan, the one that sucks smoke coming from inside the range. This is where the smoke will be coming in, and so with this one. So smoke coming in here and smoke coming in here, and this will rotate. So this is the outlet going to the duct that goes outside the house. This is still alive, so I could still use this one. Okay, I'll just apply a 120 volts here, and this will operate and this will operate, and I could still use this one as a what you call this exhaust fan, just in case I would like to use this one. Okay, I will repeat it. This is the high voltage capacitor, which is the dangerous one. This is the high voltage what you call this transformer. You see the windings here, it's very big, so meaning to say the current capacity is actually very big. This is actually the power supply that's injected to the magnetron. Regarding how it come that the voltage on the magnetron became 4,000 volts, it is something like this. This is high voltage made. The voltage coming here will be injected here. Okay, and the voltage coming from the transformer will step up by using the voltage coming from the capacitor. So if we try to inject this voltage here to the capacitor, whatever the voltage of the capacitor, that will be the one that will be injected on the magnetron. So if we try to operate the what you call this microwave oven, this magnetron here will try to emit a microwave signal over here, which is with the frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. That's a gigahertz is 10 to the 9 hertz. That's why the frequency is actually microwave, micro, very small, gigahertz. Okay, so that's actually the one who cooks the food or heat anything that will be put inside. The other parts of the microwave oven, this is actually the control panel. This is still alive. This is still alive. I could still make this one alive by interconnecting the 120 volts that goes in here. I will be eliminating some of the other things which I don't need it if I use that microwave as a storage for cooked food that will be placed inside my gazebo. This one here is actually the electric fan. Okay, that's actually mounted near the transformer. So if this heats up, okay, this electric fan will be operating. Okay, so if this heats up, it will cool down by using this what they call this electric fan here. This is mounted near the transformer. These other things are just the other metal components, where the other parts are actually connected inside the what they call this microwave oven. This one actually, this was taken from atop the what they call this, the output of the microwave. Okay, I could still what you call this assemble again this one, but I will not do it. So I will just be using, since the magnetron is defective, I will just use the disassembled microwave oven as a storage for cooked food. I will be placing inside my gazebo, but I will try to revive the clock, what you call this gadget of this one. The clock is still intact. Circuitry for the clock is still intact. And you just apply 120 volts to the power supply, and this will now be alive. So it's a double purpose thing, you know. I will try to use the old microwave oven as a storage for cooked food, and I still have a what they call this a clock emanating from this one, because this one here is still alive. Okay. This is just an easy thing, you know. I will just point out which is the 120 volt power supply. I will try to eliminate the other ones that I don't need, and that's it. Okay. So for now, these are the parts that was taken from my disassembled microwave oven over the range, and the age of this one is actually 21-year-old. And I replaced this one with the new one. The new one is inside. I will try to show you. So that's the replacement microwave oven. That's a new one. This one is the same as the one I disassembled, but this is the new one now. Okay, so I brought out the old one. I will be using that one as a storage for cooked food. I will be placing that in my gazebo. So whatever food that I need to place that I don't need inside the kitchen, I will place it in the gazebo. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the procedure and how I disassemble this 21-year-old microwave oven. Okay, that's the case. All the internal parts is the one I have shown you atop my tool supply over there. They were all placed inside atop my tools cabinet over here. Okay. So these are all the internal parts that was disassembled from the old microwave oven. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J.